Gemini just got added to Google Maps, adding some really incredible new features to the app. To start, let's open Google Maps. And let's say if I wanted to use either Google Maps or Google Gemini through my voice or just by tapping on the button, I need to tap on the profile button at the very top right to enable it. So let's tap on the profile and then get to settings. Now, let's tap on navigation and then scroll down. And you can see it says Go Hands-Free with Hey Google under Gemini. So I would highly recommend turning this on so that while you're driving, all you would need to say is Hey Google. And it will pop up with Gemini. I'm not going to turn that on right now because I want to be able to tap the button while I'm recording this tutorial, but I would highly recommend turning that on. Now, I'll show you some cool features now that we've enabled it. I live in Tunisia, and let's say I'm going to take a day trip to Sousse. I'm going to drop a pin and hit start. You'll be able to see at the very top right now is a Google Gemini icon instead of Google Maps. If I tap on that, I can ask it some really great questions and it will help me. So if I tap on and say, hey, what's the traffic looking like in the area? Is there going to be a lot of traffic?
Day. You're currently on the fastest route to Sousse.
So you can do cool things like ask it the traffic as you go along the route, or you could do other things like say, hey, I want to stop midway through for a coffee break or something like that. You can, again, just tap on it or just say, hey, Google. Just tap on and say, can you find me a coffee shop about midway through the route that isn't a far detour from the highway? And just like that, it will start to search for that coffee shop, and it will pop up immediately in your Apple CarPlay.
I found Coffeegate, which is about 6 kilometers from where you are now. Would you like to add it as a stop, or should I look for more options?
You can see a couple different ones, and then you can just tap on. You can just tap on Add. Stop here to be able to add those stops midway through this route. There are other cool things as well, and I want to know what the driving conditions will be like. I can ask it about the traffic, which I just showed you, but I can also ask it certain other things like the weather or construction, or if I don't necessarily want to take toll roads, or I want to take only side roads and not highways, I can ask it all of those things as well. So let's hit start here. I'm going to tap on the little icon, Gemini icon. Hey, what's the weather like along the route? Is it bad weather?
The weather in Sousse is currently 16 degrees Celsius and sunny, with a high of 16 degrees Celsius and a low of 11 degrees Celsius today.
And you'll be able to see it starts immediately thinking through it, and it will respond with what the weather is on your route. So basically, you can have the weather written out to you or spoken out to you. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.